The clinic has added so much value to my law school experience. I can't think of one aspect of my academic or professional experiences and skills that the clinic hasn't involved in some way. It has really allowed me to gain confidence in myself as an advocate and as an attorney.
Here at the College of Law, I'm the Executive Director of the Office of Clinical Legal Education. Every semester I get a new crop of law school students who sign up to help represent veterans in our local area. The Veterans Legal Clinic really helped address a need that was evident in our community, helping veterans get the VA medical care and the disability benefits that they earned.
One of the things that we try to do is outreach. A lot of veterans are in a position where they don't seek veteran services, and ultimately it's incumbent upon us as service providers, and for myself as a fellow veteran, to provide that perspective where they feel comfortable to reach out for help. Because when you're trained in the military to perform a certain task, sometimes you believe in your mind that there's no reason for you to ask for help, and all of us need help sometimes.
The biggest benefit to the veterans community that we provide in the clinic is making them feel like they're not alone. The clinic provides a variation of services to include primarily helping veterans get their benefits through the VA, as well as discharge upgrades if they need that. A lot of the veterans I've worked with, they don't know where to turn. They've tried the system themselves and it can get pretty complicated, and having us to help them either correct mistakes that have happened or help just in general navigate the system is super helpful to them. And I think it also helps them realize that their community is there for them.
Here in the Veterans Legal Clinic, law school students get hands-on practical experience that will help them in numerous ways in their future legal career. They have real clients, real people with real challenges, and that opportunity does not come often in a law school setting. Our clinic allows students to meet veterans in person, hear about their service, and better understand why a veteran might be having trouble navigating the benefits that they truly have earned, but maybe they've been denied. Many of the students who work with veterans in the Veterans Legal Clinic end up having a very strong relationship with their client and feel a huge sense of pride and accomplishment when they're able to get that veteran access to health care, access to monthly compensation payments. It's really rewarding for a student to make a difference in someone's life.
My work in the clinic will continue to prepare me for my career after law school by really allowing me to grow my experiences in advocacy in multiple ways, whether it be through communicating a client's position or through researching a complex legal topic or even drafting a statement to send to the VA to get a client's point across. There's multiple things that I didn't realize were a part of veterans law that I've really gained skills in, and I think that it's really helped me get to the point I am now.
I would tell a prospective law student looking at Syracuse to definitely dig into the clinics. There are so many options, even outside of the Veterans Legal Clinic, to give them experience, and you're not going to get this experience in a classroom. You're not going to get it on most of the clubs here. Being in a clinic and working with clients helps you get that experience before you have that major pressure of being the attorney.